In the shadow I will not fear. Your light surrounds me ever near. Through the trials your hand will guide. In your mercy I will abide. Lord, I lift my eyes to you. Faith unwavering, pure and true. Your love shines bright through darkest night. Grace will carry me to your light. When my heart is weak and worn, you renew me, my soul reborn. I surrender all I am, held forever in your hands.
Can you believe the song you just heard was created by AI? From lyrics to full video. Stay with me until the end, because this could genuinely change your life. I'm going to show you step by step how to create powerful music like this, even if you've never made a song before. No secrets held back, no gatekeeping, just the real process most creators won't show you. And here's the truth. People are already making money online with videos like these. Now it's your turn.
Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mavumbi, and on this channel I share simple tutorials about AI tools and ways to make money online. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Now let's get started.
First step, generate lyrics. First, I use ChatGPT to generate emotional gospel lyrics. I simply pasted a prompt, and within seconds, let's go to ChatGPT.
Okay, first step, I want you to come to ChatGPT here. Start a new chat. If you don't have ChatGPT, go to Google and type ChatGPT, and you can sign up with them. It's free. So come here, start a new chat here. So we're going to give a prompt so you can give us a lyrics for our video. That's the first step. So here I already got the prompt here. I'm going to give it to ChatGPT. You can give us the lyrics, and if you want this prompt, I'm going to leave the link below. You can use this prompt, or you can use your own prompt. Just ask ChatGPT, like here, create a 60-second gossip style Christian worship songs with emotion and powerful lyrics. So it give you a prompt like this, just simple, and it give you a lyrics for you. Or if you want to use the exact prompt I use, I'm going to leave this prompt. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You can go and get access for this prompt. Now once you already do this, come here, paste. So it's going to give us a lyrics here. You see how quick it is. This one is very quick. So we go lyrics here, ready. So now we're going to take this lyrics. We're going to go to Google Gemini here. It's going to create our video, our music. So here, if you come to Gemini, Google Gemini AI. If you haven't got Google Gemini AI, go to Google, type Gemini AI. You pop up there and click that one. Then you get access here. Sign up with them, is free as well. You get access here, and once you here, this is going to be your dashboard. As you can see here, is my dashboard. So come here, create music. So I'm coming to click this one here, create music. And once I've done here, I'm going back to ChatGPT. You already give us a lyrics. This is the lyrics you give to us. First of all, I already have a prompt to give to Google Gemini, because I want this music to be as good as it can be. So here I already have ready-made prompt. If you want this prompt as well, I'm going to leave down below this description. You can get access, or you can just take lyrics and go and paste to Google Gemini, and you create music for you. But I like to put it right, because it's only the details who make your music go viral or not. So once you come here, I'm going to paste this one here. You see here. So I say create a 6-second gospel style Christian worship songs using the following lyrics. So here, you see here, I'm going to change here. I'm going to put all the lyrics ChatGPT give us here. So I'm going to copy all this. Okay, I'm going back to Google Gemini. I'm going to paste here. So I go all my lyrics there. Okay, all the instruction I give to Google Gemini for create this music for us. So once you finish here, click here, submit, and let's give few minutes. Google Gemini AI is going to create our music. Okay guys, our music is ready. This is our music here. You see this? Let's play a bit.
In the shadow I will not fear. Your light surrounds me ever near. Through the trials your hand will guide. In your mercy I will abide. Lord, I lift my eyes to you. Faith unwavering, pure and true. Your love shines bright through darkest night. Grace will carry me to your light.
Okay, so this is our first music here. Now if you don't like this music, you can redo again, and they can do again. They can you can recreate again. They can create another one for you. And if this, because this one is 30 seconds, you can take our lyrics like the way it was here. You see our lyrics, instead of taking the whole lot, you can copy this one, the first one and the second. You can do that, and you come and do that again. Okay, so this is our music here. It looks very nice, but you see this one, once you finish, let me show you. Once you finish here, you come here to download the track. Okay, you can download it as a video with a video cover, or you can download it as audio only MP3. So we're going to download it as MP3 only for now, and this audio is going to be in your computer. You're going to save in your computer. The reason is I'm going to show you can still use this MP3 if you want to, like the way it is, but I'm going to show you how you can create a proper video with a human being or someone who's singing in this video. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, because okay, now is the next step I'm going to show you. Now we already have our image to create a video. So these are the image here. Okay, these are the image we create for our video. We create this image from Gemini AI. So we have enough image to create our video. You can create as many images you want. It's all up to you. Okay, now next step I'm going to show you is how to animate this image. We want her to sing, you know, physical. She hold mic and she sing. So we're going to animate this image. So for here, okay, flex clip is another good AI where you can create image to video, you can create video, you can create text to speech. They've got a lot of good stuff here in flex AI. So I'm going to leave the link below. You can click that link and go ahead and sign up with them. Okay, it's free. Let me show you. This is their pricing here. It's free. There's a free plan and the paid one. So you can use a free plan. It's free plan you can use, which is going to be good for you, and you can create video like the way I'm going to. So once you are already signed up with flex clip, this is going to be your dashboard here. Okay, you can see all this here. So this is going to be home. This is going to be your dashboard. You see, now come here, AI tools, click this one here, and you come to this page here. You see here is the image, there's a video, there's even audio. You can do text to speech. You can use the audio here. They've got a lot of stuff, guys, in this AI. I have in my channel, I have video. I show you how to use one by one of these tools here. Okay, so in this video, we're going to focus on here, AI image generator. So I'm going to click this one here. Okay, so once I'm here, we want image to video. So you can see here, text to image or image to video. We want image to video because we already create image from Gemini AI. So I'm coming here, I'm going to upload my image, the image I want to animate. I'm going to click this image here. So this is my image here as a reference, and here prompt, I'm going to put a prompt here. I'm going to say, like here I can say, I just say main character. I want this main character to sing natural, open her mouth while she's singing, close her eyes, hand gestures, and, you know, dancing movement. So I did this one here. Once you finish, you can duration, you can check choose your duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So for me, I choose 10 seconds, and once you finish here, you come here, you generate. Okay, click generate, and it's going to start to generate your video. This is the video is already generated for me. See, this is the video. You see how nice it looks? Let me play for you. Okay, you see it's already animate our character. She sing, her mouth is opening, and there's a people background here, they're walking past. Okay, so I'm going to do for all image I have for this video, and once I finish that, I'm going to show you next step. We're going to take all this video, we're going to lip sync. So we want to put our audio, the music we had, we put under. So for her, she can sing. We're going to put lip sync. So the music is going to go along with her lip and the way she sing, and it's going to look beautiful. That's the next step I'm going to show you. The next step is to lip sync our video. So we finish to animate our video, our image. We animate our image from flex clip. So we animate them the image into video. Now we're going to take this image, this video, we're going to come to Dreamface AI. We're going to lip sync. We're going to add our music here. Okay, so if you don't have Dreamface, go to Google, type Dreamface AI. This one will pop up here. So click this one here and go and sign up with them. So when you click up, this is going to be your main page here. Okay, you're going to sign up with them. It's very simple, straightforward. You use your Google email account. You can sign up with Dreamface AI. It's free as well. So once you come here, this is going to be here. Come here to avatar video. So we come here. So this is my space. Yours might be different because it's new. It might be different image here. Come here, upload video or photo. So we're coming to upload our video. Let me upload this video here. Okay, so this is the video we're going to lip sync. So you come here on this side, the two ways, the text and this audio. Okay, so text, this means you can add your text here for what this image has to do. But because we already have our MP3 audio, the one we download, the music we download from Gemini AI. So come here to audio, click here, upload audio or video. So we're going to click here. By the way, here is a two-way. You can record or you can upload. So we don't want to record here because we already have our audio. So we come here to upload our audio. So I'm clicking here, audio. Choose from asset or choose from your device. My MP3, my music are already in my device's computer. So I'm coming to upload here. I'm coming here and I'm going to upload here. This is one of my music. I'm uploading here. Open, and let's listen.
In the shadow I will not fear.
Okay, so this is the video we wanted exactly. Now I'm coming here, generate. This is the audio we want. So I'm coming here, generate. It's going to start to generate my lip sync video. So let's give a few minutes and see how it goes. Okay, let me show you how it looks like now. It's ready.
In the shadow I will not fear. Your light surrounds me ever near. Through the trials your hand will guide. In your mercy I will abide. Lord, I lift my eyes to you. Faith unwavering, pure and true. Your love shines bright through darkest night. Grace will carry me to your light.
Wow, this is how it is. See how it looks like? It looks so beautiful. The lip sync, it went nicely with the way she sing. And this is what I'm going. Once you finish this one, you click here. download. You come and download here. You see here, you download, and this video is going to be in your computer.
Once you've finished lip syncing all your clips, import everything into CapCut and piece them together. In just a few steps, you'll have a complete video ready to upload to your channel. If you want me to show you exactly how to edit and put it all together, comment CapCut and I'll make a full step-by-step video for you. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about how to make money with these music. This isn't just about creating music. This is about turning it into income. Method 1. YouTube. Upload these as worship videos, and once you're monetized, you get paid from ads. Method 2. Streaming platforms. You can upload your songs to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Every stream earns you money. Method 3. Sell your music, or even sell custom worship songs on Fiverr. People will literally pay you to create songs like this. We're living in a time where you don't need talent to start. You just need the right tools and the right idea. And while most people are still overthinking, others are quietly building income streams with AI. If you want, I can show you how to turn this into a full system that can make money daily. Just comment AI music and I'll make the next video. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The only question is, are you going to use it? And there you have it, a full gospel worship song created entirely with AI, and how it can actually make money online. If you want me to hold your hand step by step and guide you personally, I offer one-to-one coaching where I'll walk you through the whole process. All the links are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, AI tools, and strategies to make money online. And if you want more ready resources, prompts, and templates, check out my Gumroad store. The link is in the description as well.